Yo, what's up? Welcome to the Basic Black Trading Channel. Let's take a look at the year-to-date numbers here. What we're looking at here is the SPY, representing the S&P 500 year-to-date. So you had this big spike down here to 677, now we're up to 689. Not bad. QQQ, representing the NASDAQ, looks very similar to the SPY. They always seem to be very close. I want to give a shout out. I want to give a shout out to my traders. My boy Jason from Ivy League Trading. I want to give a shout out to my boy Phil and his girl Jill. What's up? A shout out to my boy TR, B-Dog, Joel, and Coco. How y'all doing? So let's take a look at the markets, and I hope my traders are out there doing all right. So here we are at the QQQs. Let's take a quick look at Intel. Some of my traders thought that this thing was going to go to the moon. Well, look at that. Last week I said resistance was going to be $50, which is right around here where this line is. Well, earnings was yesterday. It pumped up to $54. Well, sorry guys, it's down 18% today. It's down from 54, now it's down to $45. With a big red selling candle here. So, I told you guys pull profits at 50 bucks. But let's see what happens, you never know. What else we got going on here? Meta had a pretty nice day today. The past couple days, it spiked up pretty high. Not bad. That's year to date we're looking at. Microsoft. No, we don't want that. Wow, looks just like Meta. Or that is Meta. I'm sorry, Microsoft. Here we go. Microsoft. Again, a pullback, and now it's coming up. Take a look at Tesla. Boy, these charts look familiar, huh? Nice big pullback just a few days ago. Google. Okay, still in the green. All-time highs up here, 336. Apple. Yikes, look at that pull down. That is really coming down. Not good. Go back to year to date. Amazon. There we go. Amazon's not doing too bad. Nvidia. Wow, that looks very similar to Meta, huh? There's Meta. There's Nvidia. What else is going on in the markets? Let's take a look. We got a 10-year yield. It's going up to 4.23. Wow. Okay. Markets today, the Dow was down just 0.5%. Let's take a look at the relative strength of the US dollar. 97.46. It is coming down, as you can see, in one day. It was up here at 98. Now it's coming down. Oil, WTI crude is up to 61.30. And as we can see, it was down here. If we click on a month there, we had oil down as low as $55.99 per barrel. It's now up to 61.30. Nice pop. Not bad. So let's get back into the charts and take a look. See what else can we look at here. Alrighty, let's start from high to low. And what we got? AVAV, which is into military drones. They are pulling back nicely, actually. They need a pullback. If you look at this chart, well, what do we got here? There's the chart for them. They have this big head and shoulders here. Shoulder, head, shoulder. And it popped back up again. Now it's coming its way back down. Let's go back to the year to date. What else have we got here? It's Boeing. Boeing's kicking it here. AMD. Not bad. Let's zoom out here on this chart and see what it looks like. So AMD's had a nice takeoff here, as you can see. Alright. What else we got here? Let's take a look. Texas Instruments, by the way, that's been doing pretty well. Um, it really been volatile, as you can see, so that's pretty interesting. Let's take a look at silver. Silver's been, look at this, all-time record today, $92.91. That's impressive. I remember when that was just like 20 bucks. Okay, look at it, $27 in April of 25. Look at that chart. That thing just skyrocketed. Big move today. We pulled back yesterday to 84. Now it's up to 92. Not bad. So whoever's holding on to silver, $100 inbound. It's coming. Guild Sciences here. I mean, they're into pharmaceuticals. The high of 135. That has been skyrocketing. That has been very impressive stock. What else can we take a look at? TSM, chip makers here, semiconductors, UPS. It's kind of holding this $100 range, 109, 107. Anything else we should take a look at? Nike. What's Nike doing? Well, Nike's not been doing too bad, actually. They've been hurting. They're on this downtrend here, as you can see. So they're coming down. Nike is coming down. GM's kind of hurting. They're coming down as well. I mean, they had a nice rally, but what goes up must come down. What else we got here? Anything good to look at here? VSAT, which is a satellite company. And again, these with military applications, they have skyrocketed. Okay, when we go back to, let's go back to 1 year. Down here, $7 in April 25. To a high of $45. It's impressive. So let's take a look. Let's go back to year to date here. Let's look at Oxy, which is oil. What are they doing? Oxy. Okay, year to date, they're green. It's kind of holding this $43 level, which is not bad. Let's go to a 1 year chart. And they were up here at 66, but you know, when Trump took office, oil kept coming down. And BP though, which has a nice dividend, they're holding strong up here around the mid 30s. They're holding. So look at this, 37, pull back to 35 or 33, or back up to 36. Not bad. See anything else worth looking at here? Well, there's Chewy, the dog food. Zillow's been they've been hurting. They're in the red here. They did have a nice bounce, but it's kind of giving it back, so we'll have to see. Markets are volatile right now, so we'd have to be careful out there. We got Coca-Cola. That's been kicking pretty good. Let's take a look here. 1 year. Yeah, Coca-Cola's been going up nicely. Nice pullback here. The end of, actually, it's over a year ago. So for the whole year, they've been holding this range. For the whole year of 25, and around the $69 to $70 range. Not bad, not bad. ARM, 116. Let's get back to a 5 year here. So there, they opened up at 47, and they're still at 116. What else we got here? Look, Verizon's just been going sideways, by the way. Go click year to date here. Verizon's got a nice dividend as well, but they've just been up, down, from 38 to 39. And CoreWeave, what's up with CoreWeave? Let's take a look at that. CoreWeave has been, they're pulling back nicely. Look at this, it opened up here to around, what, 37 bucks, up to 183. Now that trend line, look, it's just coming straight down. Now it's part of that AI bubble, I guess we'll say. We'll have to see what happens. Other than that, there's not much going on in the markets. Things have been kind of staying steady. The Dow did lose about 300 points overall for the week. And other than that, if you like this video, please subscribe and click that like button. I'd appreciate it. Helps get us out there. So thank you for watching. We'll check with you guys next week. All right, have a good weekend and be safe with the snow. Enjoy it.